Day 5 renovation here at West Bend Country Club, moving along nicely. We've got one fairway bunker, almost finished, little topsoil left. We're working on putting irrigation back around this current bunker behind me, the green side, and we're already on to the right side bunker on 16.
I've been doing this for over 30 years. I grew up on a William Langford golf course. I'm able to come into this spot and think about all the other Langford golf courses I've seen and where he had a hillside like this, where a bunker like this, it's a little different, what you might be able to do to fit in with the William Langford style.
We always call it the bat wing effect. Got one kind of perpendicular to the other. So the right side bunker right now is the bat wing to the one that we put in the front side on left. The landing zone looks like it got a lot smaller, let's put it that way. Once everything gets grass on it, it's gonna really pop and see the shadows and the uniqueness of it. Irrigation went right through the middle of what used to be a hill here, used to be a bunker here. So we had to reroute some irrigation work. So the backside, you can put that line back in. One more line in the front, that'll be hooked back up. A little bit of wire run and we'll be back in operation.
They've got from 45,000-pound hydraulic excavators down to an 11,000-pound hydraulic excavator. They've got large track skid loaders, 35-horse landscape tractors, four-wheel front dumpers, the knuckle attachments on the excavators, John Deere 550 dozer that architects using for shaping, all the way down to sod cutters.
Since the last time we brought in another knuckle bucket on another excavator. So now we have two big excavators running with knuckles to do finish work and really keep the progress moving.
We've worked in Europe some, in the UK, and almost every excavator has a bucket like that. A lot of them will turn 360 degrees. And so if they're working in this downtown London or a city that was built in 1400, there's not a lot of room. So they use those buckets a lot. But for golf, it allows us to almost sculpt like you're using your hand.
Yeah, that's a paintbrush. That's a guy in a machine that's using it like his fingertips. He's really good. Amazing what they do with these big machines.
At Sunbelt, we have a Golf Solutions division that takes us from the very beginning of the project to the end of the project to where we can focus on those specialized assets that the golf course superintendent uses all the way to the golf course general contractors, to the shapers and the architects, and it allows us to stay focused just on those pieces.
Timeline right now as we look, the next 2, 3, 4 days, we'll start probably topsoiling, getting these prepped for sod. Plan right now sometime next week, start sodding these. Once we get these sodded, I'm sure we'll also have a crew starting to demo the next part of the project in the 17, 18. This is the big chunk of the progress. We get through this, the next two are a lot smaller, a lot quicker in scale. So another week from now, we should have grass on the ground and we'll see what it really looks like.